I've got this question with me. It's over here. This is under radicals, of which we were expected to solve. So here, without wasting our time, uh, what you need to know is that when solving radicals, at each point you must try by all means to get ready over the radicals so that you can solve the equation. So we have this right here. I guess you're able to see. So the first thing must be to make sure that all these go to the other side of the equation, and then you will just remain with the one term with the radical. So we shall have a negative 1 here minus root of x plus 1. Okay, so now from or at this point, we square. We know that if we put power 2 here, it will get rid of the radical, okay? So what is done this side must also be done this side. So we shall have 2x minus 3 is equal to positive 1 plus 2 root over x plus 1 and plus x plus 1. Okay, so here you just multiply this by itself, you get this. So now we group the like terms. So we shall have 2x minus x minus 3 minus a 2. This 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and you bring it this side, you have a minus 2, which is equal to 2 root over x plus 1. Okay, so here we shall have x minus 5 is equal to this right here. So we have a radical this side. So to get rid of this root, we do what we did at this point. We square both sides. So here we shall have x squared minus 10x plus 25. This side we shall have 4x plus 1, like that. So now we work out things here. We shall have 10x minus 4x. So this 4 times x is 4, and then you bring it to this side of the equation, it will be negative 4x plus 25 here minus 4. This 4 multiply by 1, it will be 4. You bring it this side, it will be like this, and equal to 0. So if you're able to see nicely, we have a quadratic equation right now. So this is the quadratic equation we have here. Okay, so we create space here. We have x squared minus 14x plus 21 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation we need to solve. After solving this quadratic equation, we will say we are done. So x is equal to negative b plus minus root over b squared minus 4ac. So we need to use this formula. So we have negative 14 plus minus root over negative 14 squared minus 4, 1 there, and the 21 over 2 and the 1 there. So we need to work out things here. So here, when we work out what is here, what are we getting? So that's negative 14 squared minus 4 there, the 21 there. We are getting here we have 14 plus or minus 10.583000524 over a 2. So now remember we are expected to have two answers. Okay, so the first one will be generated by this right here. Hopefully you are following. And then the next one will be generated by this. We shall put here a plus. The other one will have a minus because we have these two here. Okay, so quadratic equations should not be a problem with you. Okay, over 2. There's a 2 here. So when we do that, so let me see what we're getting. Plus divide by 2. So our answer for this one, our answer will be a 12. So x is equal to 12.3. That's in one decimal. The other one will be x for this one. So 14 minus, okay, this right here, divide by 2 here. We shall have 1.7 as our solution. So these are the two answers that we've found. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been Sichamba Jacob.